Kasama ko na mga senator ngayon at nagpulong-pulong kami para makita talaga ako ano yung mga chronology of events. At approximately 7:46, armed men tried to enter through the second floor but were stopped by the USAA. They had firearms with them, but the USAA fired a warning shot. They retreated at the back and started firing indiscriminately into the air. Now, we do not have a definite count of how many people tried to enter the building. Number two, there are no casualties. None. No one was hit, no one is wounded, no one was killed. Number three, we are in the process of determining who is behind this. We have instructed the GSIS and the Senate building, the Senate staff to secure all CCTVs. Our mission here, the President sent me here, number one, to secure the senators. There is no politics at this time. In these times of turmoil, politics goes out the window. We all belong to one country and we all will lead one nation. The President has given strict instructions. Secure the senators, whoever they may be. Next, we are not here to arrest Senator De La Rosa. In fact, we are here to protect him. Let that be clear. I mean, we made that very clear to his family. I repeat, we do not know who is behind this, but we will find them. We have all the security footages, and I'm here with the Senate President to assure him that we are only doing this to secure them.
What's the motive?
First and foremost, we thank God that everyone's safe. We'd like to thank the President, Secretary Isidoro, Secretary Remulla, who personally came here, Chief Peter Lapis is here. So as you know, last Monday, nag-request po tayo ng PNP just to make sure na yung investigation natin with NBI, that there will be no untoward incidents. So at around 6:45, 7 o'clock, some senators got warnings na umuwi na. At nagtataka kami what that meant. So sabi ko, please don't believe that because the last thing anyone wants is yung gulo. At around that time, we got information, about an hour before that, we got information para tingnan dito yung articles of impeachment. So we decided to extend our focus and to mag-meeting na how we can prove by actions yung sinabi namin that this change in leadership is not about politics, it's not about impeachment. So at around that time na sinabi ni Sec. Remulla, we heard noises, akala ni Senator Villanueva, paputok, fireworks, and I even went to the window at pinagalitan nga ako ng sister ko dahil we don't do that. But after a few minutes, may paputok na naman, then we smelled, and then I was already watching TV, hindi ko na ma-contact, and then tumawag yung USAA na, sir, confirm na may shooter, hanggang dun lang. By that time, tumawag na si Sec. Remulla that calm everyone down, but we're on our way, make sure na papasukin kami. So we agreed on a objective, comprehensive investigation. I expressed to the President, who was a senator before he became President, Sec. Remulla, that of course the safety of my colleagues is very important, but yung integrity din ng Senado. The building is more than a building. In fact, it's not even our building, it's GSIS. But it represents the democracy of our country. So I'd like to thank you, kayo din sa media. No? I know you're also confused, but you decided to stay. So in the next few days lang, make sure lang na hindi tayo mag-infiltrate until we get to the bottom of this. No? So the USAA and the PNP under the direction of myself and Sec. Remulla is now going floor by floor, and we'll do the same sa kabilang building. We won't say any more operational details, but we will try to make sure na safe. I'll be here tomorrow. That's if I go home tonight. No, I'll be here. And we'll brief you further. No, so we'll stop there. Pasensya lang po kayo. We'll stop muna sa details. Mahirap po na iba-ibang
questions na.
So I'm directing the staff not to tell a lie, not to fold to tell the whole truth and to make sure that we cooperate with the PNP in their investigation.
Who are the shooters and how many, sir? How many shooters, sir? How many?
Again, we still have to determine through CCTV footage kung ilan talaga sila.
Opo.
So, we cannot answer that with any witness.
Paano po nakapasok? Paano po nakapasok?
Sir, usa ayong una nagpapapak-warning shot.
Warning shot, Saan gave a warning shot, and in their retreat, they started firing into the air. That's as far as we know. Okay? That is not conclusive. We still have to review the footages.
We'll stop at the word suspect kasi pag nilabel namin yun, meron ng conclusion na rin yung iba. But
Initially,
we told Secretary Mulya kung sino ang suspect, kung ano suot, kung ano ang sinasabi nilang kung sino sila.
Perceived NBI daw? Perceived NBI, sir?
We'll not confirm.
No questions, sir.
No,
Stop
it's okay questions, but forgive us because we don't want to say something na hindi mabawi. If government did this to government, we are in trouble. And I want, there is a presumption of regularity na hindi ito gagawin ng kahit anong agency sa atin. Having said that, from the President down to the Secretaries, ilan na rin silang tumawag, assuring us na taking independent at no holds barred investigation.
Perceived NBI po ba yung nakapasok? Perceived NBI ba, sir?
Please do not ask questions that are leading.
Pero sabi po kasi ni Secretary Mendoza, sir,
Do
SecGov.
not ask questions that are
How about Sen Bato?
Please do not ask.
Senator Bato de la Rosa, how is he, sir?
Bibigyan na lang sila ng details.
Senator De La Rosa has been informed that we are doing a sweep of the building. He has informed us that he wants to rest in his chambers. He is safe. He is with his security personnel. He has been informed of our activities. We have assured him that there is no warrant of arrest to be served. Okay? I am here to ensure the integrity of the Senate and to protect the protection of all the senators. Okay? Please.
What's the, walang motive pa, sir, kay Nikita?
You cannot ask questions of any detail because we cannot stop the answers with that.
Even kung paano po nakapasok, sir?
So either we have to review
Nasaan na sila?
sir, wala rin nag-pursue, sir, wala nag-umabol.
Protection ng number one side.
One reason we cannot tell you, ongoing pa eh.
Tapos hindi pa
Ongoing pa. There's two buildings. So it's ongoing and we don't have to also, what you call this, telegraph dun sa investigation. We're all doing what we can. And Usa is there, the PNP, the Chief PNP, binigyan ng specific instructions ni SIL.
But the Senate is safe.
Sir, wala pa, sir. Kahit isa, sir.
Senate is safe, sir?
All the floors. We are sweeping all the floors. We have asked those non-essential personnel to leave, and we will investigate each and every person in that are not essential here.
May pasok po ang Senado bukas?
So far, yes. I'll decide mamaya. But so far, kasi nga dumating yung articles of impeachment at may meeting nga coordination ang lahat ng heads. Having said that, may I also appeal to any of you or anyone in the Senate kung may videos kayo na you think will help the investigation, submit it to us. Kasi maraming allegation, maraming denial.
We have FB Live, sir.
Yes.
We have FB Live.
Meron kayong videos, please submit it to those for our investigation.
Sir,
No naman sa
Pero persons of interest meron.
Wala pa rin.
Sen, how about the articles of impeachment po? Kamusta? Was it secured?
We will secure, nakaalis na rin yung mga taga-house. I just assure you, kung ano na sa Constitution, ano sa rules namin, may precedence din to. This is the first time, maraming speculation, pero meron po yan. But I will be interpreted to be talking politics, especially kami sa Secretary. So I just assure you, kung ano ang rules, kung ano ang Constitution, ano batas, ano precedence, susundin natin.
SP, is the Senate safe? Is the Senate safe as of now?
We're making sure that it's now, but I can tell you, especially for me, that I feel na cargo ko yung lahat ng empleyado at lahat ng mga senador, lalo po yung walang kamalay-malay dito. It was, you know, I don't know how to describe. And at first, you know, if you get a call from me at this point in time, you wouldn't know that's an emergency. That's why I had to do it.
So categorical safe na ang Senado?
Hindi namin kasi I mean, it's secure. It's secure.
Secure.
All senators are secure.
All senators.
All senators.
How many senators are inside, sir?
Ah,
But
I think we were complete sa majority.
13?
Except chief.
12.
Anyone from the minority there? Parang wala naman yan. Unless nasa opisina. Inside the...
You are all here right now? Yung 12? Nasa loob pa?
Yes. Yeah.
Except for Sen Bato.
Yeah.
Senator Bato.